Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these pants from Huckberry. And these are the Apres Sashiko pants in charcoal, size small. Looks very, very comfortable. I've heard good things about this, so excited to get it. Got the very last one. They went out of stock after this one, but hopefully they get more in stock. Cool, let's check it out. Wow. Very nice texture. Nice cuffed ankles. Here's what it looks like. Boom. Wow. Show you on the back. Ooh, back has these buttons. Fancy. Very comfortable. Material feels nice. 2 pockets in the back. Check out the inside. Oh, some cool pocket designs for the inside. Nice little tie here. Then let's see. Tailor stitch, size small. Check out the tag. Tailor stitch. Bought this from the Huckberry store. I believe there was some merging or acquisition of Tailor Stitch. Not really sure, but this was bought directly from the Huckberry website. Here's the front left pocket. And the front right pocket. Yeah, really minimalist, nice. There's no buttons here. Oh, do these really work? No, these are just for show. This doesn't really button open. Wait, does it? Wait, let's see. Oh, it does button open. All right. So you got another special buttons here. More breathability, you know. You can just let it loose, let it hang loose. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Let me know what you think of these pants in the comment section below. And I will catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.